In this video, I will guide you on how to screen mirror the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G to TV, and it doesn't matter the type or brand of TV you have, whether it's a Samsung, an LG TV, Hisense TV, a Google TV, or even an Android TV like this one over here. You should be able to cast and view everything on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G on the TV. First thing you want to do is to make sure that both your TV and your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So if you swipe down through the control center on my Samsung Galaxy A57 5G and then to the Wi-Fi settings over here, you can see that I am connected to an iPhone, which I am basically using as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. So it can actually be a hotspot network from another device. And on my TV over here, I also want to make sure I'm connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So head over to the connection or connectivity settings of your TV. In the case of an Android or a Google TV, it is on the network and internet settings. Go ahead and select that. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and then connect to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Once that is done, go back to the home of your TV, and then on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, you just want to swipe down through the control center just like so, and you're going to see the Smart View option at the bottom over here. Go ahead and tap on that, and then your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G will start to search for available smart TVs it can actually connect to. If you cannot find the name of your TV, tap on the three dot icon from over here, go over to settings, and then tap on labs. Then make sure that Chromecast support is actually turned on, and then you want to go back to the search icon again or search menu, so you can literally see the name of my Android TV now. You should also be able to find the name of any brand of TV you have. Go ahead and select it, and then you want to choose whether you want to cast one application or the entire screen. In my case, I want to cast the entire screen, so I'll tap on cast entire screen from over here, then tap on start cast. Give it a couple of seconds. Your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G should be screen mirrored. If yours does not work, you can go ahead and retry the whole process again, but as you can see, this works absolutely well for me. And to stop the screen mirroring, you just have to tap on this icon at the top right and then tap on disconnect from over here, and you're good to go. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.